Okay, this is the face shield where I drew out. This is aluminum surface, and I winded the coil alongside the aluminum surface, around the aluminum surface, whereas local to the surfaces, around in a curve and a circular. And I also made a helix here at the edge so that the electrical energy, winding energy, will pitch to the left or pitch to the right, holding the object steady within the air, while this linear motoring, electrical energy winding linear force moves upward, which is the power 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a 5. Now this is the repulsive back to the 1, which is held here, and enabling a static within space of vectoring, so a proximity hold field. So as the coil will escape from the aluminum, and this is like a voice coil, and similar like how transducers work. However, I would need permanent magnets, but I'm going to get permanent magnets anyway. And I would need permanent magnets for that vector field in order to get it, but I am going to put a stripper over it. Okay, and that will electrical energy wind, it will pulse it here and increase the electrical energy and move it upward in the linear motion. So my name is compounds. I'm going to apply the compounds. The compounds is the foil copper, the aluminum foil, the quartz crystal, the bismuth beads, the graphite, the baking soda, the plaster, and a partner for the plaster. On to faceplate. I have aligned the faceplate in ordinary and made the turns direct around in a straight line and a stair, and I also applied it along the side. I sprayed it with this clear hardener. It's also a UV protector, it's body protection, and it dries fast. It's flat, masonry, plastic, metal, wood, and it's a waterproof protect coil. So I applied the plaster. The turns are applied in the same, leaving an open clearance so they don't fold. The surfaces are aluminum, very light with a void core. So, first thing is Alturia modules, and this will be used after I apply the surfaces of the plaster. Then I will also apply these modules to couple and a chain alongside the exterior, and cool the exterior from the inside out, from the outside in. And I'll also be doing on the inside. Temperatures and low temperatures of the aluminum that I use alongside with the plaster and the graphite will cause dissipate the heat exceeding. So aluminum, I will also apply it to the surfaces of the Alturia at the bottom, so create it and make it zigzag out of a sheet of aluminum foil, a zigzag, and a couple of zigzag turns and folds, and allow it to sit on the surfaces of the plastic once it cures. And then I'm going to make a housing around it to cover it with the housing. Then I'm going to use a circular plate, a circular cardboard, piece of cardboard that I cut out to overlay that area, leaving the open clearance of the surfaces upward, so I can apply a rotary cooled Alturia modules, and I have assembled the open clearance while I plaster outside of the circular. So, I'm get right done. Goodbye. Okay, so I applied more winding coil at the bottom, and this shield will apply at the bottom. I plan to use surround over the unit. I have another idea that I want to set up my Alturia modules alongside, and I'm going to switch in between coils. And when I switch between coils, I'm going to switch in between the Alturia modules. Some of the Alturia modules in sets as the coil stacks. Each individual is cold, and it shuts off like it shut on the coil. And then the following one will shut on the Alturia module, while the other one shuts, cooling in between segments.